Shiba Inu could delete a lot of zeros in the next few weeks, which will be a big deal. But you might be wondering how this will come about. Is there going to be a big fire? Will there be new projects? Is the Shib team going to release a new token? Well, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to find out. In the next minute or two, I'll tell you about the latest changes that are coming to Shiba Inu. This could get rid of a few of the zeros in the Shiba Inu price and lead to huge gains for those who own it. So make sure you watch this whole video. It's going to blow your mind for sure. Disclaimer: how are you, Sheep Army? We're glad you stopped by the channel today. In this video, I'll tell you about a few updates that are so powerful that they could make the Shiba Inu price go down by a couple of zeros. You're right, people should get ready to make big gains in the weeks ahead. These new things will blow your mind. Let's get to it. Before we get to the main news, though, here's a quick update on the Shiba Inu metaverse. The Shiba Metaverse WAMP Temple Alpha preview just came out, says watcher Guru Shytoshi Kusama. In fact, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is growing by leaps and bounds, so the team behind the virtual reality program is giving sneak peeks of what's to come. This feels like good news for sure. Going after good news, we finally got to see the Shibarium beta last week, and now that the Shibarium metaphors are about to go live, the Shiba army will be able to see for themselves what the metaverse will look like. With the new preview, Shib holders will find it easy to buy land. From what we know, a piece of land in the Shiba Inu metaverse cost about 0.2 ETH. The sneak peeks also show that the Shiba metaverse is pretty amazing. So, if you're interested, you can check out the preview and maybe grab some lands while you're there. Now for the big news, but make sure to watch until the end because I've saved the biggest update for last, and it's a juicy story. So, just a few days ago, Shiba Inu was able to avoid being caught in a dark death cross. Now, to fully understand what this means, you have to know what a death cross is and what that means for Shiba Inu prices. Let's try to figure out what it means. The death cross is a chart pattern that shows that the price of an asset is getting worse. Most of the time, this formation means that the bears are trying to take control of the cryptocurrency for the long term. Smart investors, on the other hand, see this as a chance to buy the asset at a lower price and stock up on tokens. Now, the death cross is the exact opposite of a golden cross. It is a pattern that forms when the average price moves above a long-term average price. Simply put, if the short-term price is higher than the long-term price, this means that people are optimistic about the price of an asset and that the price may be about to go up. Certainly, now that you know what's going on, let's find out what's going on with Shiba Inu. So, for a few days, there was a huge rally on the crypto market. But after a while, that stopped, except for Shiba Inu, who seemed to set up a pattern that kept going after the consolidation period. The bull pennant pattern, according to the daily coin, uses two lines that come together before the breakout. In technical terms, if the crypto candle stocks from a bullish pennant with enough relative strength index, or RSI, other technical signals should also be considered before making a decision. For example, the homeless millionaire says on Twitter that Shiba Inu prices might move sideways, or even down a few times before they start to go up again. This means that traders and investors may want to think carefully about their options before making a move. Shiba Inu, on the other hand, is definitely going up. This is a fact. So, get ready, as I said. In fact, it looks like there are a lot of whales in the Shiba Inu area. Since the launch of Shibarium Baidu, both Ethereum whales and BSC whales have been buying up Shiba tokens. Between Sunday and Monday, the price of Shiba Inu went up by about 3.3%, which meant that all holders made a lot of money. But do you know what I like best? It's not just Shiba Inu that has been doing well because of the bullish trend. Even Bone has been able to take advantage of some of this bullish momentum. During the same time that Shiba Inu pumped, Bone went up 3.6% to get back into the green zone, even though this hasn't helped Bone make up for its drop last week. The truth, it's a good sign that it's going up, or that it's on a bullish trend. Certainly, I saved the best part for last, as I said, so be sure to stay tuned, because I'm about to release the big update that will make sure a couple of zeros are taken off the price of Shiba Inus for good. But before we talk about that, let's take a break and talk about something very important. This channel gives away 100,000 sheep every day. If you want a chance to win, you can watch this channel. Just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Hashtag Shiba Inu. Good luck. Okay, let's watch the video again. So, what's the most important news I haven't told you? Well, it's about traditional banks, and you might be wondering what that has to do with Shiba Inu. Even though it doesn't look like much at first, it's really huge. So make sure you keep an eye out and pay close attention. So, you probably already know that the Silicon Valley Bank failed. Well, experts in finance are worried that this could be the start of a wave of financial instability and crashes that could hurt the U.S. banking industry. In particular, BlackRock CEO Lawrence Fink has said that there could be more bank seizures in the future. Fink said it wasn't clear if the banking crisis that was caused by interest rates going up would hurt more people. He did say, though, that some banks will have to cut back on lending in the future in order to fix their balance sheets. Now, if this happens, it could make bank customers more likely to get their money from the capital markets, since asset-liability mismatches caused Silicon Valley Bank and other institutions to have trouble getting the money they needed. But the BlackRock executive does say that the actions taken by regulators helped stop what could have been a much bigger crisis. It's too soon to know how bad the damage is, he said. So far, a response from the government has been quick and clear. Actions have helped stop the risk of a chain reaction, but the markets are still on edge. How will this affect Shiba Inu? Here's the thing, though. When it comes to money and how the world's economy works, the banks are in charge of everything. Even though cryptocurrency is an alternative to traditional finance, you have to admit that it is still not very popular. So this pattern of bank failures is likely to throw everything off. For example, when this happens, people will start to lose faith in banks. You know what's going to happen. People will move to a less government-controlled financial system when the old one fails. Of course. What kind of a plan is that? It has to be crypto, of course. In other words, the failure of banks and the fact that the top players in the sector think this will be a continuing trend could lead to more and more people getting into crypto. This is good news for crypto in general, but especially for Shiba Inu. Here is why. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market, and its blockchain, Shiba Inu, was just released. Also, don't forget what we talked about with Shiba recently about a bullish trend that ended for the whole crypto market. Overall, all of these changes make Shiba Inu a very appealing choice for people who want to store their money somewhere other than a bank. So, if there is more demand for Shiba Inu, the value of the token will go up, which could mean that the price of Shiba Inu will lose a zero. Anyway, leave a comment below and tell me what you think about all of these changes. I would really like to know what you think. And with that, today's video is over. I'm sure it was interesting to you. If you liked the video, please like it and don't forget to leave a comment in the section for comments. This helps me a lot with how YouTube works. Also, please let as many people as possible know about this video. Let's tell everyone about this.